Welcome to today's tutorial, where we'll walk you through Telegram's latest feature, clearing chat history by specific dates in groups directly from your PC. This powerful update gives you precise control over your conversations, letting you remove messages from chosen days with just a few clicks. Start by opening the Telegram app on your computer. If you haven't downloaded it yet, head to the official website and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the group where you want to manage the chat history. Groups, channels, or one-on-one chats all have slightly different settings, so make sure you're in the correct group for this process. Now, scroll through the conversation until you see a date bar floating above the messages. This bar appears as you move through older parts of the chat. Click on it and a calendar view will pop up. Here's where the magic happens. You can now select individual days or even a range of dates. Want to delete everything from last month's brainstorming session? Just highlight those dates. Need to clean up a specific week? Click and drag to select the days in question. After choosing your desired dates, hit the Clear History button. Telegram will ask you to confirm this action. Double-check your selection because once deleted, these messages can't be recovered. Confirm, and voila! The messages from your chosen dates vanish from the group chat. This feature is perfect for decluttering busy group conversations, removing outdated information, or simply maintaining privacy. Keep in mind that clearing history by date works for all participants, so everyone in the group will see the messages disappear. Telegram's updates continue to prioritize user control, and this tool is no exception. Whether you're managing a community group, a project team, or a social circle, staying organized has never been easier. That's all for today's guide. If you found this helpful, let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more Telegram tips and tricks. Until next time, happy chatting.